Hi. Alright, for these examples, you can, before you looking at this example, you can get the question from the link in my YouTube channel. So look at the comment and there is a link. You can click in the link and get the question for this example. So now, alright, let's move on to this example. So which given that the fifth term of an arithmetic sequence, okay, the fifth term of an arithmetic sequence, because they already mentioned the arithmetic sequence, right? The fifth term means the T5, which is 21, and its 10th term, alright? Its 10th term is 41, alright? 41. The question very simple. It just give you the arithmetic sequence and you have fifth term is 21 and the 10th term is 41. So you can pause the video and try first by apply the formula for nth term. So you know that the formula for nth term is Tn a plus n minus 1d. This is the nth term for arithmetic sequence. Alright, so I'm going to apply that formula T5, alright, T5, which is a, the first term. The n here refer to the 5, alright? The 5. So you have 5 minus 1 d equals to 21. So you have a and plus with 4d equals to 21, which you get the first equation, alright? You're getting the first equation. So now, let's see this. So this one is the 10th term, right? The 10th term. So also applying the formula a plus 10 minus 1, alright? 10 minus 1d equals to 41. So they will give you two information. So means you need to find the first term and the common difference, right? So in this case, I think simultaneous will help you. Alright, 9d equals to 41, equation 2, right? Do you have two equations, right? So for arithmetic sequence, we always using the concept how to solve the simultaneous equation. For arithmetic sequence, we always use addition and subtraction. But for geometric sequence, we always use the division. Alright, division. So okay, for this case, I can take equation 2. Subtract equation 1, okay? Equation 2 subtract with equation 1 means that I take a 9d equals to 41. Equation 2, you also can take 1 minus 2, it's the same. Huh? So a plus 4d equals to 21. Equation 3, equation 1. So I take 2 minus 1, right? You minus, okay? You minus. So a minus a. A minus a, you have 0, right? You have 0. 9 minus 4. Minus 4, you have 5d, which equals to 41 minus 21, you have 20. So you have 5d equals to 20, right? So you can find the common difference, which you take 20 divided by 5, which you get 4. Alright. Now you have the value of common difference. Of course, you can use this common difference to find the first term by substitute to either equation 1 or equation 2. Either one is okay. So I put into equation 1. So I substitute into equation 1. Alright. Substitute into equation 1, right? So I have a plus 4 times d. Your d is 4 equals to 21. So a equals to 21 minus 4. You have 16, right? So you will have 5, right? You have 5 as your first term. So therefore, the first term is 5. This is standard, okay? Standard unknown. The standard variable to represent notation to represent first term, and d is for common difference, so which is 4, right? So this will be your answer. And followed by this question, they are asking you to find the nth term of the arithmetic sequence, right? The question asking you to find the nth term of the arithmetic sequence. The meaning is the same. It means they ask you to finding this, right? The nth term means in general your nth term. So now you have already have your a. So you just put 5, right? General term. So plus with n minus 1. Okay, you just remain as n minus 1, right? N minus 1. N. So d 4, right? So then you have Tn equals to 5 plus with 4n minus with 4. So finally, you have Tn equals to 4n, 5 minus 4 plus 1. This is the nth term. Nth term for this arithmetic sequence. So means you can use this nth term to find for, let's say you want to find for the 100th term. Okay, now sebutan ke 100 yang jauh sangat, very far, right? You can use to find any term, alright? Which are 4, you can multiply 400. Then you know, oh, 401. The 100th term will be the 401. Okay, this is for your knowledge. So this is the term, the nth term for this arithmetic sequence.